Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. This is take 2 of me trying to film stuff. Yeah, this past like 2 weeks actually we've had people in town, so we've just been doing a whole bunch of stuff. Haven't really had a chance to really like film anything. I will say we did go check out some cool stuff, which yeah, I don't know, just it's always cool when you have people out because you get a chance to like just do different stuff and like just check out different areas. I did film a video for the Disney channel, or theme park / Disney channel. That will be linked down below, and I have another video going up on that channel as well. So we just did some stuff like that. I filmed stuff for that channel, but today, I don't know, things are kind of weird, and kind of like a weird mood when it comes down to a lot of stuff. Hey, I'm thinking about selling one of my lenses. I think I might, or I may not. I don't know. I don't really have to, but I don't really use it that much. So who knows? I do want to upgrade my camera gear a little bit sooner than later, but we'll see what's up with that. 2 things I know I definitely want to do though coming up. One, getting new headlights for the Jeep. I still have some more lights I can install on the Jeep, but I want to just do new headlights. I hate the bulbs that I have inside the Jeep right now. They are too bright. It looks like I have my high beams on when I don't. So I want to get those just completely swapped out and just get like a whole new housing and just do that, which I think I know the I know the headlights I want to do, so that should be coming up soon. The second thing is though, I do want to get a kit so I can wash my car here, because yeah, the Jeep is filthy. So you guys, you can see we did some off-roading stuff. I didn't really film, but the Jeep is filthy once again, and I need to get it washed. That needs to get washed. The Veloster needs to get washed. Seems like every time I try to go wash the car though, everyone's trying to wash the car. Everyone out here keeps their car like immaculate and it's always clean. So like every time I go to the car washes, they're always filled up. People are always washing their cars. And now that we have I have the power washer and everything like that, I want to like wash my car here. I just don't have any gear to like do it. So I'm gonna go get some more stuff so I can start washing my car here once again. Yeah, but for sure though, can't wait to start doing that, washing the car, getting it clean. I'll update you guys on this though too. I was like this close of getting a project car. I was talking to someone, messaging them back and forth. I was thinking about it, but ultimately I decided not to pull the trigger just because I think I can get something a little bit better. So we'll see. I know like for sure in the near future I do want a project car. I really do want one, but I want something that's gonna be, I think, a little bit better than what I was looking at. I don't know. Like, we'll see. I don't want to give it away too much, but I think it will help out the channel to have a little bit more variety of content. Do some stuff more with off-roading, some stuff with the Veloster, and some other stuff with some more, you know, project type of stuff. Because I really do miss doing those type of things. So we'll see what's up. It's just, I want to find the right vehicle. I don't want to just buy something and then like I'm not happy with it. So we'll see. I'm just still waiting to like get all that stuff done. The other thing is though, as you can see, the garage still pretty raw. Don't mind have this stuff out. I should have put the weights away, but I didn't. All these boxes still slowly but steadily getting rid of the boxes. I actually came out here to grab a box because I want to store some of my camera equipment back inside of like my office, walling off the entire garage. I think I honestly would turn the garage into my office because there's so much space in here and I spend a lot of time out here. We just have to make it a little bit better, and I think this would be really cool. We will have to do some stuff with some sound like deadening because like the sound is not great, but I think this would be cool though if we were to turn part of the garage into like my workspace. If I had like this section out to my office, I think would be cool. And then we can have over there in the corner could be workout stuff and have some car stuff in here too. We'll see. I don't know, there's plenty of room in here so we could do it. Who knows? Yeah, this has been kind of a quick and short update. I'm sorry it's not a whole bunch of content going on, but yeah, this is kind of like what's been going on with the life. We're just living some life and just enjoying things. But with that being said, if you want to check out some more content from me, go to this video right here. And if you are interested, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. See ya.